Hey guys, welcome back with an outstanding video. Guys, in this video we will discuss how can you create your new Apple account in your iPhone, iPad or any other iOS gadget. So simply guys, you can do it very easily. First of all guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. Then you may just click here on general, and you may make sure that you have latest and updated version of your iPhone, iPad or any other iOS gadget. Then you may scroll it down and hit the option of VPN. So you may click here, and if there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that from here. Then you may click here on your Apple account, and then you may click here on don't have an Apple account, and then you may select yourself that you have a child, teen or adult. So if you're adult, you may select 18 or older. And then you may just wait for some second. Here you may write your first name, last name and your date of birth. So I am putting all these from here. Then click here on continue. So after putting your date of birth, you may click here on continue, and you may just wait for some second. Here you may put your email address. So if you don't have an email address, then you may just click here, and you may get an iCloud email address from here. So you may write here your iCloud email. After that, you may just click here on continue and create email address. So you may just click here, and you may just wait. Here you may put your password, and then here you may verify your password in second box. Then you may click here on continue. So I am putting password here. So after putting your password, you may just click here on continue. So here you may put your phone number, and then you may click here on verify using text or phone call, and then click here on continue. So I am putting here my phone number. So you may check, I have verified my phone number. Then I may click here on agree, and then you may check my Apple ID is being ready. So you may click here on continue. So click here on continue, and now you may check my Apple account is ready. So by this method you may create your Apple account easily, and you may also click here on iCloud, and you may check that your iCloud is now active from here. So by this method you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.